Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. For the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. For the viewers, thank you for clicking this video. So guys, in today's video I am going to be talking about how to become a profitable professional forex trader. Right guys, so without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So quick backstory guys, so I got funded last year for like 50k, but literally guys, I literally blew that account because apparently you can't make more than 6% of your starting balance for some weird reason. You feel me? But that's just my fault because I didn't like read, you know what I mean, the fine print of the rules itself for the prop firm. But that was basically the whole reason why I blew that account. You feel me? But guys, like, now I'm funded now, and guys, like, literally I have to lock in because obviously, bro, like, let's keep it a stack. I'm like, you want to get rich this year? Like, I want to get rich this year. Like, I actually want to make it out of the trenches this year, bro. And guys, like, you have to lock in. I have to lock in. You feel me? And I have my goals I'm going for, and in order for me to hit those goals, guys, like, I literally have to lock in. Right? So, and me locking in has to be me being a professional trader, right? And how I'm actually going to be doing this, number one, guys, is going to be trading only one pair, right? So I've literally, guys, decided to literally trade only one pair. Like, guys, I'm never gonna lie to you because back then, bro, like, I literally be having fear of missing out, like, trading multiple pairs. But now, guys, I'm literally so numb to like trading one pair that I really don't even care at this point. Like, guys, like, I can only trade one pair. I'm good. You feel me? Like, I can see someone else make stupid money on, they just say Nasdaq 100, and guys, I'm literally okay trading only one pair, which is GBP JPY. You feel me? I'm good. You know what I mean? Number two is, guys, like, you have to find a profitable strategy and stick with it. Right now, for me, guys, like, I've jumped through different strategies, and you know, I think earlier this year or so, last year actually, I now found this strategy that, like, literally God opened my eyes to, and this is called the SDI entry model. Right. Again, I'll give you like a quick overview of this model, but essentially, guys, it's very simple, guys. Like, literally, all you have to do, guys, is literally this: you wait for a doji candle to happen. So in this case, you can see here, this is a doji candle right there. You wait for that doji candle to happen, and then you wait for the low to be taken out. In this case, the low was taken out here, and then wait for your entry candle, which is going to be the shooting star, which is going to be this entry right there. Same thing happened here, bro. Like, literally, bro. Literally the same thing happened here again. You wait for your doji candle. So in this case here, guys, this doji candle from the past here, right, has not been retested. So that's why I actually had this marked up. So as you can see, this was the doji candle here, right? Price took out the high, but when it broke below, it did not retest. So it now took a couple days for it to now come back to that area, and then as you can see, it now gave the retest and now gave your entry, which is now going to be the shooting star. Same thing again happened here, bro. Like, same shit. You feel me? Price gives you a doji candle, which is now going to be this doji candle right there, as you can see, right? Price takes out the high of the doji candle and then comes down and now retest, and then as you can see, the retest, and then the entry candle is now going to be the shooting star, right? Which is going to be the shooting star right there. Boom. Literally, bro. Like, you see how, like, repetitive that this shit is, right? Same thing again happened here again. Same thing, bro. So price comes, right, gives you a doji candle, which is going to be this doji candle right here, this black candle right there, doji candle, right? It now takes out the high of that doji candle and then gives you an entry, which is going to be the shooting star right there, and your stop loss can now be, you know what I mean, above the candle. As you can see here, you might actually get stopped out depending on if you use a tight stop loss, but I did not actually get stopped out here because I used a really big stop loss, so I'm good. But as you can see here, literally, guys, I caught like a nice 10 to literally 10-hour risk to reward. And this is because of volume, obviously. And then literally, guys, same thing again, bro. Literally the same thing again. Price goes to your area of interest, gives you a doji candle. As you can see, this is a doji candle right there, right? Price takes out the low of the doji candle and then gives you an entry. So in this case, guys, literally, literally, guys, like, I think it was around 8 o'clock when this candle closed, and as you can see, I literally entered late. But notice again, bro, like, price did the same thing again, bro. Fam, it literally came, gave you a whole doji candle, took out the low of the doji candle, and then gave you a shooting star entry. So you can really see how repetitive this entry is, right? So that's basically the whole point of you finding a profitable strategy to now stick with, right? So if you do want to learn the SDI stop loss model, guys, subscribe to my channel. You know what I mean? Follow my channel because I will be posting videos almost every single day, if not daily, to be honest with you. But yeah, guys. Now, the third thing you need to do, guys, to become a professional trader, guys, is you have to watch price almost every single day, right? And the reason I say this is because, guys, like, at the end of the day, guys, like, the forex market can move whenever it wants to move, bro. Like, it literally can move whenever it wants to move, right? I literally had a buy entry right here. Price takes me out, and I'm not gonna lie, I was literally sleeping, bro. You know what I mean? I was literally sleeping like around 8 o'clock. and I woke up like maybe like 9 or whatever, and I missed the move. You feel me? Like, bro, like it doesn't matter, bro. Like it doesn't really matter what you do. You feel me? Like price will literally move whenever it wants to move. You can see like literally, guys, the entries here was like around 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Here was like around 11 p.m. in the night. Here was like around 11 again in the night. Here again was like 6 a.m. Like, bro, like you can never know when price is actually going to take off. So if you really want to make this bread, fam, you literally just gotta keep watching price every single day. And guys, I watch price every single day, but the thing is, it's not like I actually take trades like every single day. You feel me? Like I take trades every day, but like it's not because I watch price. Like even though I watch price, I don't actually take trades unless the trade presents itself. If you feel me. So that's just basically the whole thing. Like you literally have to just constantly keep watching price every single day, fam. Maybe besides Saturday. But Sunday, bro, like after 5 p.m, you gotta watch price, bro. You literally gotta watch because, bro, fam, don't let opportunity pass you by. Like, bro, like you gotta be ready, bro. You literally just gotta be ready. That's just all I'm gonna say, bro. I think, guys, like number four, you know, when it comes to you being a professional trader, is, guys, you have to know when a retracement is about to happen and where a retracement will happen, right? So in this case here, guys, literally this specific move, this specific move right here, almost blew my account. Literally my live account that I just got a week ago. I almost blew it, like the daily Jordan or whatever, the Lady Max Jordan. I almost blew it. Why? Because I was number one in a rush to take the trade, right? Because price gave me an entry, I think here, and then I was like, oh yeah, let me enter. But obviously, bro, like you gotta just understand, like in my head, you know what I mean? It was already too late, but like when price finally reached this area, I was like, oh wait, price just wanted to retest my freaking SDI, you know what I mean, liquidity area. That was basically the whole logic behind it. So I would actually have avoided all these losses and just waited for price to just reach there, and then I sold. And as you can see, although I did catch the move, but like I was literally like down by like 4% already. So I had to now compensate by holding longer, right, to be able to pass my challenge. That's how I got funded. You feel me? So guys, like you have to know when a retracement is about to happen and where a retracement can happen. So in this case here, guys, literally you can see in this trade here, clearly, guys, like price wants to keep buying up, like, or it's buying up right now. Now, I'm not going to just take an entry right there, even though I am tempted to. I'm not, bro. I'm going to simply wait because I know for a fact that price usually sometimes wants to retrace 50% Fibonacci before buying up. So I'm anticipating price might either do something like this where price will go up here. Now, if it goes up here straight, then I will likely take partials. You feel me? And then now wait for the retracement to happen back to this area here, or maybe back to this area here, and then wait for my entry, and then I'll now continue the trend, whatever it leads me to. So that's basically what you need to be doing, but in terms of, you know, being a professional trader, you just have to know when a retracement is about to happen and where it will happen from. You feel me? Now, guys, the last thing you have to do when it comes to you being a professional trader, guys, is this: you have to learn your technicals, bro. You have to learn your technicals. Your technicals is like your bread and butter, unfortunately. You feel me? A lot of people say, oh yeah, like, oh yeah, you know, when you do your technicals, it doesn't really matter, like, oh, what that matters is like your entry. But bro, like, fam, you can't really get a good entry if your technicals is not like solid. You feel me? Like, bro, like, I believe my technicals is like pretty solid. Like, the only difference now is going to be like your psychology and when you wait for your trades, right? But guys, like, if you can master technicals, guys, you have basically conquered like at least 50% of the journey. The only difference now is you just have to find the setups and know how to, you know, take good trades and things like that, right? So now when it comes to you mastering your technicals, guys, I only use 2 time frames, right? The daily time frame and the 1 hour time frame. Really that simple, right? So now the daily time frame is now, you know what I mean, basically represented by the blue, you know, lines. Whenever you see blue, just know it's the daily time frame, right? As you can see on here, I had this resistance zone, quote unquote, or I call this the area of interest. You feel me? So I only had 2 area of interest in the daily time frame. And then if we now go to the 1 hour time frame, it's now then like to follow, like, you know, the intricate detail of the forex market. So this is how I look at it. The daily time frame is like Google Maps, right? You know, in Google Maps you can like scroll around the world and things like that. So that's basically the daily time frame. And then the 1 hour time frame is now when you now click inside the Google Map, and then you now, you know what I mean, see the POV of the camera that usually records, you know, the map and things like that. So that's basically how I look at time frames. Really that simple, right? Now, sometimes, bro, The 1 hour time frame can predict the daily, the daily candle move, and sometimes the daily candle can predict the whole trend. You feel me? So in this case here, guys, like literally, you know, this move here, right, that I caught was literally the start of the daily move. Why? Because I kind of knew already that okay, price wanted to sell, or like at least it had that selling potential from the daily time frame, right? But what confirmed it was the 1 hour time frame giving me an entry. You feel me? And then also, guys, the daily time frame can now give you like the overall trend of what's going to happen in the next coming days. You feel me? So in this case, guys, like literally, if I'm like, if you had peeped things like this, like moves like this, where price just goes like give you the shooting star, then you now anticipate a goodbye, bro, you would have been eating, bro. So in this case, guys, like here, will it sell? I don't think it's going to sell, to be honest with you. Like, I actually don't really think it's going to sell. Like, it might look like it's going to sell, to be honest. It looks like it wants to sell. It looks like it wants to sell, but based on what I think it's not going to sell. Why? Because I already see an SDI entry in the daily time frame, right? Like I told you guys, the SDI model is very simple. Price needs to give you a doji candle. So in this case here, guys, this was the doji candle, right? Price now needs to take the low of the doji candle, which has already been done here, as you can see. And then price needs to give you an entry, which is now going to be the shooting star, right? So what does that tell me? That tells me that if price right now closes in the next 3 hours above this doji candle, like inside the doji candle, then bro, like I do believe that the daily time frame has already given me, you know what I mean, the projection that okay, it actually wants to buy all the way up. You feel me? So this is basically what I think when it comes to, you know what I mean, my trading and things like that, guys. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys gained a lot from this, guys. Like I said, guys, I really want to lock in, bro. Like I really want to lock in, fam. Like, fam, you have no idea what I want to do with my Forex career, bro. You really have no idea, fam. Like, I really want to fucking lock in. That's why I'm making this video, because guys, like, yeah, you have to log in, bro. If you're trading right now, guys, you don't have no strategy that you're really learning, guys, I advise you to learn my strategy, guys. This strategy is literally too easy, bro. Like, it's literally too easy, fam. You feel me? Yeah, bro, I'll give you updates on like maybe my first payout and things like that. That's if I do reach a payout, and that's if the prop firm actually pays me out. You feel me? I hope they do pay me out. I hope. You feel me? But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys gain a lot from this, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching all the way to the end. Comment down below. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in a different video. Peace.